Thank you. Oh my goodness, you are all so kind. And Robbie, love the shirt. It is so you. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Sir, I really need to talk to you. Get out of here. We're doing a show. Shoo. Excuse me. Welcome to the belated end-of-the-year presentation, the 10-year anniversary award ceremony. Sir, I really need to... Can't this wait? Can't you see him in the middle of a show? Do you know how much time the show is going to take? I know, I do. But your pants, they're gone. My what? Oh my gosh! Sorry, everybody. Technical difficulties. Sorry about that. I thought I felt a breeze. Well, anyway, hello, everyone, and welcome again to the end-of-the-year presentation, the 10-year anniversary award ceremony. We have a special night in store for you, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Also to note, your cooperation will be needed at certain points, so please be prepared to participate. Let's get on with the show. Thank you, Cameron, for that wonderful memory. Chris, you have been nominated for the most loyal award. Oh, son of a brick. Can we get this boxed up, please? Naomi, would you please present this award to Chris? Like I said, we'll get that fixed later. Chris, we present you this broken loyalty award. Thank you. You may sit down.